Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to create a product catalog for Facebook ads. So first thing that you will do is, of course, you just simply go ahead and go to your business suite. And now here on your business suite, guys, you will just simply go ahead and go to the settings of your Facebook page. Now, once you are here, as you can see, you will have multiple options on the left side. So from here, you can just simply go for the data sources and you will have an option, guys, over here, catalogs. So go ahead and click on it. And from here, you will have an option over here, add, or if you already have one, you will just simply select add at the top right corner. Now you will have an option over here, request access to a catalog or create a new catalog for your business. So pretty much over here, as you can see, are you sure you want to create a new catalog? And pretty much you could just simply select continue, and here you will have multiple alternative options about creating a catalog, guys, so make sure to read them out so you won't have any problems in the future. Now from here, as you can see, your catalog type, so just simply provide your catalog type over here and you will have multiple options, and you could connect it to a partnership program as well if you have a Shopify or WooCommerce, and you could just simply select over here. Now down below, only catalogs added to a business portfolio can be used to run ads. So make sure to select your business portfolio. And now you will have an option down below to give people access or not. So pretty much this will be depending on your preferences, and you will have the name down below. And of course, just simply provide a catalog name and just simply select next at the bottom. All right. Now, guys, you have to connect to event tracking as well. So just simply select a metapixel or SDK that you want to use to track the products, or you could just simply select this one, add new in events manager to set it up. Now select next, and from here you could either connect to a data feed if you have a spreadsheet ready, or you could manually add the products, or you could just simply skip it and select next over here. And after that, of course, you have to manually provide each one of your product over here, including the images and videos right over here, the title itself, the description, the website link, and the price over here. And you could utilize this bar to expand the other option. And pretty much you need to add at least 5 products to run an Advantage Plus catalog ads. And pretty much once you have uploaded all of the items and fill out everything over here, you should be able to upload or create a catalog. I hope this video helped you understand more. Thanks for watching.